My name is Diana Przinski-Abada. I am a certified health coach. I have a certification in applied functional medicine. So I take the functional medicine approach where we look at the whole body. And I've been practicing and working with individuals for almost 10 years now on how to use food to feel fabulous. Just through a personal journey of working in corporate America and not feeling great in my early 30s. And I worked with someone who was doing what I do now, my mentor, and changed my food. And changing my food changed my life. It's something that I feel like it's hard to convey until you've done it and experienced it. But it just changed my mind, my mood, my energies in so many different ways. And just having the realization that what we put in our body has such an impact on how we feel. I want to share that with other people because I want everyone to feel great. What I would like to do is just support people as we get into the winter season, which typically is our cold and flu season for most people, but especially this year. How can we focus on being healthy, staying healthy, and boosting our immune system? How we nourish ourselves with both food, with the people we are with, our surroundings, our sleep, our exercise, all of those components that help us stay healthy and feel really good. That's our goal. Well, we'll talk about specifically what foods support our immune system and the things that do directly affect our immune system, like stress, and focus on changing our habits to include more healthful choices to support us, and how to fill in the blanks with any supplements if people are interested in taking supplements. We'll do 4 consecutive weeks, each with a different topic, and then we'll support people in between on a Facebook group. We can make some gradual changes over time that in the end will feel like one big change.